We went to visit Raging Waters in San Dimas, the largest water park in California. There were several slides for groups to ride together, and we first went on a toboggan-style ride that went up and down through tubes.
Here we go.
Then we spun around on an inflatable raft down a slide. We went on another similar slide that went down a pitch-dark tunnel. One slide we went on multiple times was an 8-lane racetrack.
Push, Elliot, go.
There was also a lazy river. We could find inflatable inner tubes to ride on. Along the river, there were various fountains and waterfalls to go under. There were also multiple playgrounds and slides for kids of all ages. We enjoyed floating in the wave pool. And there were also slides for adults and older kids. We loved how many different water activities there were at Raging Waters.